Okay, so in your assessment, all right, you are most likely going to be given a CSV file, okay, but you need to bring this CSV file into your Excel spreadsheet, okay. I'm using a slightly older Excel spreadsheet, but it should be actually the same. All right, it's because nowadays I'm using the web version. Okay, so now I want to bring this CSV file in. The first thing, of course, I need to go and open, all right, and definitely go and look for the file. So I have placed my file in my desktop. But notice what happened here is that by default, you actually only see your Excel file, okay, which is your XLS or XLSX file. So you need to change this first, okay? Easiest way, view everything, all files, all right? Then once you view the all files, I should be able to find here this one. See, this one is a XL. This is a Excel spreadsheet, all right. But it is actually a CSV file, comma separated value. All right. If I don't have this, let's say I only use this, I can't find it. See, I can't find it. So remember to change this to all file. Then you will be able to find your comma separated value CSV file. Then just a normal open will do. Right, and everything should work. Okay, so you would have the data required for your assessment inside your Excel spreadsheet. Okay, and of course most of the time at the end of your work you will need to save this after you make some changes to it. So let's say I do some bold over here, okay, maybe I do some bold over here, and okay, let's say I do some bold over here. Fine, so I make some changes to it. I want to save, but when you save, it will usually go back to the CSV file, which I do not want. So I'm just going to close this. So don't use save, but use save as. All right, so when you save as, okay, you can give it a name, whatever name. All right, so let's say okay, task A, and change the file type. Okay, most of the time you either use your workbook, okay, or your worksheet, okay, because Excel work either in workbook or worksheet, okay, and then you will be able to save it. Okay, and when you actually do save it, okay, let me close this. All right, you can do a check, make sure it is a Excel spreadsheet. All right, so either it is a .xls or a .xlsx.